Hot on the heels of us announcing that the wonderful Camellia House at Wentworth Woodhouse had won the prestigious Europa Nostra award for conservation and adaptive reuse, we're delighted to tell you of yet another award that it secured. The Architects' Journal Awards celebrate the very best projects across over 16 different categories, from housing, health and well-being to workplace and cultural projects. We're incredibly proud to announce that the Camellia House project is the 2025 winner of the Community Impact Award. Our Grade 2 star-listed Camellia House is located at the top of the gardens at Wentworth Woodhouse, and the oldest part of the building dates from the 1730s. The estate declined significantly during the mid to late 20th century, with several changes of ownership and use. Following the Second World War, part of the grounds was turned into an open cast coal mine. Eventually, following a campaign by Save Britain's Heritage, the Wentworth Woodhouse Preservation Trust acquired the site in 2017. Judges praised the very impressive revival of a long derelict building for rare camellias as so much more than a charming tea room in the picturesque gardens of a Yorkshire stately home. It now provides an inclusive space for diverse local communities in Rotherham, whilst maximising opportunities for training and employment, from heritage crafts to filmmaking. Extensive community engagement informed the brief to revitalise the building as a community space and provide training and employment opportunities. Research into how different cultures drink tea subsequently influenced the tea room menu. One day a week is reserved exclusively for local community activities, with transport provided by the Trust. The £5.5 million restoration project has also delivered a changing places toilet facility for use by visitors with complex needs, by adding a new timber-framed building next to the listed Camellia House, one of the first in a heritage setting. We've documented the entire regeneration process in a series of YouTube videos, which you can see using the link in the description below. These videos have been viewed around the world, raising awareness of the restoration process, and they've also helped raise much needed revenues for the Trust. 22 local hospitality jobs were created, and 19 trainees attended a live site training programme at the Camellia House for heritage crafts. 33 of the 39 subcontractors used were from Yorkshire. The architects also facilitated a project review with students from Sheffield School of Architecture and 100 local people from marginalised groups, and have hosted a programme of tours and lectures. One of the judges noted that everything undertaken was an opportunity to develop a philosophy that goes beyond building conservation. They felt that if everyone approached their projects with the level of care shown at the Camellia House, we'd be in a very good place. The restoration project presented many challenges. The 200-year-old camellias had broken right through the glass roof, and extensive works were also required to the huge historic sash windows and plasterwork, all achieved with the plants in situ. The floor was sloping due to the mining activities, which contributed to significant subsidence. But after community consultation, it was decided to retain this feature as a memory of the past. Likewise, a lot of the building's patina of age has been preserved, while at the same time the Trust invested in ground source heat pumps to decarbonise energy use. We're absolutely delighted that the Camellia House project has been recognised with a 5th major award, and particularly pleased with the Community Impact Award from the Architects' Journal, as serving our local communities is so central to everything that we strive to do at Wentworth Woodhouse. Check out the Camellia House video playlist on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment below. We love to hear from you.